Welcome to Vending University, the ultimate guide to becoming a vending operator, where you continue developing the skills needed to succeed in every operating environment. This course focuses on a critical topic in modern vending operations: security enhancements for high-risk vending locations. As machines expand into busier and less controlled spaces, security becomes a core business priority rather than an optional upgrade. High-risk vending locations often include areas with heavy foot traffic, limited supervision, late-night access, or higher exposure to theft and vandalism. These environments create unique challenges for operators. Without proper planning, machines may face damage, data risks, or repeated downtime that directly impacts profitability and reliability. Throughout this course, you will learn how to evaluate location risk factors effectively. You will explore how environmental conditions, customer behavior, and access patterns influence security decisions. Understanding these elements helps you select appropriate protection strategies instead of relying on guesswork. You will also gain insight into practical physical security solutions. Topics include reinforced cabinets, advanced locking systems, impact-resistant materials, and smart placement strategies. Each solution is explained clearly so you can apply it confidently in real-world situations. Digital security is another key focus. This course introduces secure payment systems, data protection practices, and monitoring tools that help reduce fraud and unauthorized access. You will learn how to protect both customer data and operational systems while maintaining ease of use. In addition, the course covers monitoring and response strategies. Remote alerts and tracking tools help operators respond quickly to issues, reduce losses, and prevent repeat incidents. These insights support stronger long-term security planning. By the end of this course, you will have a structured approach to protecting vending machines in challenging locations. You will be better prepared to reduce risk, protect assets, and operate with confidence. Module 1. Identifying and assessing high-risk vending locations. In this module, you will learn how to recognize and evaluate vending locations that present higher security risks. Not all locations carry the same level of exposure, and understanding these differences is essential for protecting machines, products, and revenue. High-risk locations may appear profitable, but require careful assessment before placement. High-risk vending locations often include areas with heavy foot traffic, limited supervision, or extended operating hours. Examples include transportation hubs, hospitals, factories, student housing, and public access buildings. These locations attract frequent use, but they also increase exposure to theft, vandalism, and misuse. This module explains how environmental factors affect risk levels. Lighting, visibility, nearby security presence, and building access controls all influence machine safety. Poor lighting or isolated placement can increase vulnerability, while monitored or staffed areas help reduce potential threats. You will also explore how user behavior impacts risk. Locations with frequent anonymous users may experience more misuse than controlled environments. Understanding who uses the machine, when they use it, and how often they interact with it helps determine whether added security measures are needed. Another focus is evaluating historical data and location feedback. Reviewing past incidents, maintenance records, and downtime reports provides insight into recurring problems. These details help operators identify warning signs before committing to a placement decision. By identifying and assessing high-risk vending locations accurately, operators can build stronger security strategies from the start. This knowledge supports smarter placement decisions, reduces preventable losses, and creates a safer foundation for long-term vending success. Module 2. Understanding common security threats in vending operations. In this module, you will examine the most common security threats that affect vending operations, especially in high-risk environments. Understanding these threats helps operators prepare effective defenses and avoid costly mistakes that can disrupt service and revenue. One major threat covered is theft, which can target both products and cash. Theft may come from forced entry, repeated small losses, or unauthorized access during restocking. Recognizing theft patterns allows operators to identify weak points in machine design or placement. Vandalism is another frequent risk in exposed locations. Machines may suffer damage from impacts, tampering, or intentional misuse. Even minor damage can lead to downtime, increased maintenance costs, and negative customer perception if not addressed quickly. This module also explores fraud related to payment systems. Card skimming, unauthorized digital access, and payment manipulation can occur when machines lack proper safeguards. Understanding how these risks arise helps operators choose secure payment technologies and monitoring tools. Operational threats are also discussed. These include internal errors, poor access control, and inconsistent service routines. When procedures are unclear, machines become more vulnerable to misuse or neglect, especially in busy or unattended locations. Environmental threats are another important consideration. Weather exposure, power instability, and poor infrastructure can weaken machine security over time. Knowing how these conditions contribute to risk allows operators to plan preventive measures more effectively. By understanding common security threats in vending operations, operators gain the awareness needed to protect machines proactively. This knowledge supports smarter decisions, reduces unexpected losses, and strengthens overall operational stability in high-risk locations. Module 3. Location-based risk analysis and site evaluation. In this module, you will learn how to perform detailed risk analysis based on specific vending locations. Each site presents unique challenges, and evaluating them correctly helps operators make informed decisions before installation or expansion. The module explains how to assess foot traffic patterns and peak usage times. High traffic areas can increase sales, but they also raise exposure to theft and misuse. Understanding when and how people interact with machines helps identify potential risk windows. You will also explore how building layout and access points affect security. Entrances, exits, blind spots, and proximity to staff or security personnel all influence risk levels. Evaluating these factors allows operators to choose safer placement within a location. Another focus is assessing surrounding activity. Nearby businesses, public transport access, or nightlife can change risk profiles significantly. Recognizing these external influences helps operators anticipate problems that may not be obvious at first glance. This module also covers evaluating existing security measures at a site. Cameras, lighting, access controls, and staff presence reduce risk when used effectively. Operators learn how to factor these protections into placement decisions. You will also learn how to document site evaluations consistently. Standardized checklists, photos, and scoring methods help compare locations objectively and track changes over time. This structured approach supports better planning and long-term security strategies. By applying location-based risk analysis, operators can reduce uncertainty and avoid high-risk placements that outweigh potential benefits. Careful evaluation leads to safer installations, fewer incidents, stronger accountability, and more reliable vending operations over time. Module 4. Physical security upgrades for vending machines. In this module, you will learn how physical security upgrades protect vending machines placed in high-risk locations. Strong physical defenses reduce damage, prevent unauthorized access, and extend machine lifespan in challenging environments, while also boosting customer confidence in the machine's reliability and safety. The module begins by explaining the role of reinforced machine construction. Thicker steel panels, impact-resistant doors, and strengthened frames make forced entry more difficult. These upgrades act as the first line of defense against theft, vandalism, and accidental damage, providing operators with peace of mind and long-term durability. You will also explore secure anchoring methods. Proper floor or wall anchoring prevents machines from being tipped, moved, or removed. Stable placement reduces both theft risk and accidental damage in busy locations while enhancing overall operational safety. Another focus is door and access protection. Heavy-duty hinges, internal shielding, and protected service panels limit access to sensitive components. These features reduce opportunities for tampering during unattended periods and help maintain machine functionality even in high traffic or exposed areas. This module also covers visibility and placement strategies. Machines positioned in well-lit, high-visibility areas are less likely to be targeted. Physical upgrades work best when combined with smart placement decisions, creating a layered security approach that addresses multiple vulnerabilities simultaneously. Maintenance considerations are also addressed. Regular inspections ensure that locks, panels, and anchors remain effective over time. Worn components can weaken even the strongest security setup if not maintained properly. Proper maintenance also allows operators to detect early signs of attempted tampering before they escalate into serious issues. By implementing physical security upgrades, operators create a stronger barrier against common threats. These improvements help reduce downtime, protect inventory, maintain customer trust, and support reliable vending operations in high-risk locations while enabling operators to focus on other aspects of business growth and management. Module 5. Advanced Locking and Anti-Tamper Technologies. In this module, you will explore advanced locking systems and anti-tamper technologies that strengthen vending machine security in high-risk locations. These solutions go beyond basic locks, providing enhanced protection against theft, tampering, and unauthorized access. Understanding their applications is essential for modern operators. The module begins by examining electronic locking mechanisms. Unlike traditional mechanical locks, electronic systems allow controlled access through PIN codes, RFID cards, or biometric verification. These locks provide detailed access logs and can alert operators to unauthorized attempts in real time. You will also learn about reinforced locking bars and deadbolts. These components add mechanical strength to doors and service panels, making forced entry significantly more difficult. Reinforced hardware can prevent common break-in techniques used in high traffic or poorly supervised areas. Anti-tamper sensors and alarms are another key focus. Vibration sensors, door contact alarms, and tilt detectors can trigger alerts when a machine is tampered with. These technologies enable operators to respond quickly, reducing potential losses and preventing further damage. This module covers integration strategies for combining mechanical and electronic security. Layered security systems, which include strong locks, sensors, and monitoring, provide the most effective protection. Operators will learn how to design these systems based on location risk and machine usage patterns. Regular testing and maintenance are also emphasized. Advanced locking and anti-tamper technologies require routine inspections to ensure proper functionality. Keeping systems updated helps prevent security gaps and ensures the machine remains resilient against evolving threats. By implementing advanced locking and anti-tamper technologies, operators significantly reduce the risk of theft and vandalism. These systems enhance overall security, protect revenue, and contribute to reliable long-term vending operations in challenging locations. Module 6. Digital Payment and Data Security for High-Risk Areas. In this module, you will learn how to protect vending machines from digital threats while maintaining secure, convenient payment options. As cashless transactions increase, safeguarding both payment systems and customer data becomes a critical component of high-risk location management. The module begins by explaining secure payment technologies. EMV-compliant card readers, encrypted mobile payment systems, and tokenized transactions reduce the risk of fraud. Operators will learn how to select payment methods that balance convenience with strong security measures. You will also explore data protection practices. Collecting and storing transaction data responsibly is essential for compliance and preventing unauthorized access. This includes secure network connections, regular software updates, and strong access controls for operators and service personnel. Another focus is monitoring for unusual activity. Payment systems can provide real-time alerts for failed transactions, repeated access attempts, or other suspicious behaviors. Early detection allows operators to respond before financial losses occur. This module also covers integrating digital and physical security measures. Machines equipped with both secure payment systems and physical protection create a comprehensive security environment. Combining these methods strengthens overall machine resilience against both physical and digital threats. Regular system audits and updates are emphasized. Cybersecurity threats evolve quickly, so keeping software current, reviewing access logs, and testing encryption ensures ongoing protection for both operators and customers. By implementing robust digital payment and data security measures, operators safeguard revenue, protect sensitive information, and maintain customer trust. These practices are essential for successful vending operations in high-risk areas and support long-term operational stability. Module 7. Remote Monitoring and Surveillance Solutions. In this module, you will explore how remote monitoring and surveillance technologies enhance vending machine security in high-risk locations. These systems allow operators to track machine activity, detect issues early, and respond quickly, minimizing losses and downtime. The module begins by explaining the benefits of real-time monitoring. Cameras, sensors, and connectivity tools provide instant feedback on machine status, usage patterns, and potential tampering. Operators can access this data from anywhere, enabling proactive management of multiple locations. You will also learn about motion and vibration sensors. These devices detect unusual activity such as forced entry, tipping, or repeated handling. Alerts generated by these sensors allow operators to intervene quickly, reducing damage and product loss. Another focus is video surveillance integration. Installing cameras inside or around machines helps deter vandalism and theft. Footage can provide evidence for investigations and insurance claims while supporting safer placement decisions. This module also covers software platforms for managing remote monitoring. Operators can review data, receive notifications, and analyze trends through centralized dashboards. Insights gained help optimize security measures and plan maintenance efficiently. Maintenance and testing are emphasized. Regular checks ensure sensors, cameras, and software function correctly. Well-maintained monitoring systems prevent gaps in coverage and improve overall machine resilience. By leveraging remote monitoring and surveillance solutions, operators gain real-time awareness of machine activity, enhance security, and protect both inventory and revenue. These tools are essential for maintaining reliable vending operations in high-risk environments. Module 8: Preventing Theft, Vandalism, and Machine Damage. In this module, you will learn strategies to prevent theft, vandalism, and damage to vending machines in high-risk locations. Proactive prevention reduces downtime, protects inventory, and maintains customer confidence while supporting long-term profitability. The module begins by examining common methods of theft and vandalism. Understanding how machines are targeted helps operators implement measures that directly address vulnerabilities. Knowledge of typical break-in techniques and tampering methods is essential for effective security planning. You will also explore physical deterrence, reinforced panels, secure locks, tamper-resistant hardware, and proper anchoring prevent unauthorized access and reduce the likelihood of damage. Combining multiple deterrents creates a layered security approach that discourages potential offenders. Another focus is environmental and situational awareness. Placing machines in well-lit, visible areas and near staff or security personnel decreases risk. Proper placement and orientation can prevent accidents, reduce vandalism, and make machines less attractive to opportunistic theft. Digital safeguards are also covered. Monitoring systems, alarms, and connected alerts provide immediate notification of unusual activity. Prompt responses allow operators to intervene quickly and limit losses before incidents escalate. Routine maintenance and inspections are emphasized. Regular checks for wear, damage, and attempted tampering ensure that preventive measures remain effective. Consistent upkeep strengthens the machine's overall security and operational reliability. By implementing a combination of physical, digital, and procedural strategies, operators can prevent theft, vandalism, and machine damage effectively. These proactive measures safeguard revenue, enhance customer experience, and support dependable vending operations in high-risk locations. Module 9: Incident Response and Recovery Strategies. In this module, you will learn how to respond effectively to security incidents involving vending machines in high-risk locations. Rapid and organized response minimizes losses, restores service quickly, and ensures long-term operational stability while maintaining customer confidence and trust. The module begins by outlining the importance of a clear incident response plan. Operators must know how to react to theft, vandalism, or technical failures immediately. A well-defined process reduces confusion and prevents further damage, ensuring machines remain functional and safe. You will also explore communication strategies. Notifying staff, security personnel, or law enforcement quickly ensures a coordinated response. Keeping accurate records of the incident and relevant evidence supports insurance claims, operational audits, and future risk prevention. Another focus is damage assessment and repair. Identifying affected components, evaluating machine functionality, and implementing temporary fixes allow service to resume faster. This approach reduces downtime and maintains customer satisfaction even after an incident has occurred. This module also covers preventive follow-up. After an incident, operators should review what happened, analyze vulnerabilities, and update security measures to prevent recurrence. Learning from incidents strengthens overall resilience and improves preparedness for future challenges. Training and simulation exercises are emphasized. Practicing incident scenarios ensures staff can respond efficiently under pressure. Familiarity with procedures reduces reaction time, improves decision-making, and builds confidence in handling real events successfully. By implementing structured incident response and recovery strategies, operators protect their machines, safeguard revenue, maintain reliable service, and support long-term operational success. These practices are crucial for high-risk vending locations and ongoing business growth. Module 10: Building a long-term security plan for high-risk locations. In this module, you will learn how to develop a comprehensive long-term security plan for vending machines in high-risk locations. A proactive plan ensures consistent protection, reduces losses, maintains customer trust, and supports sustainable operations over time. The module begins by emphasizing risk assessment. Operators must identify potential threats, evaluate vulnerabilities, and prioritize security measures based on location, traffic, and machine type. Understanding these factors forms the foundation of an effective long-term strategy and prepares operators for evolving challenges. You will also explore the integration of physical, digital, and procedural security measures. Combining reinforced construction, advanced locking systems, monitoring technology, and staff protocols creates a layered defense that addresses multiple threats simultaneously while maintaining operational efficiency. Another focus is ongoing maintenance and updates. Security systems require regular inspections, software updates, and component replacements. Scheduled maintenance ensures that all security measures remain functional, reliable, and effective in preventing incidents over time. Data analysis and monitoring play a key role in long-term planning. Reviewing historical incidents, transaction records, and monitoring reports helps operators adapt strategies, detect emerging risks, and improve protective measures continuously. This module also covers training and standard operating procedures. Staff and service personnel should be familiar with security protocols, incident response procedures, and preventive practices to maintain consistent protection and reinforce a security-focused culture. By building a long-term security plan, operators can confidently manage high-risk locations, reduce exposure to theft and vandalism, maintain operational reliability, and create a safe, dependable vending operation that supports long-term growth and profitability. Conclusion: in this course, you have explored the essential strategies for enhancing security in high-risk vending locations. Understanding the unique challenges presented by such environments is the foundation of effective vending operations. From identifying potential threats to implementing preventive measures, each step is critical for maintaining reliable service and protecting revenue. We began by examining how to identify and assess high-risk locations. Evaluating foot traffic, environmental factors, and user behavior allows operators to anticipate potential security issues. Recognizing vulnerable locations ensures machines are placed strategically, reducing exposure to theft, vandalism, and operational disruptions. Next, the course covered common security threats and how they impact vending operations. Knowledge of theft methods, vandalism techniques, and payment fraud empowers operators to implement proactive solutions. Understanding both physical and digital risks provides a comprehensive approach to safeguarding machines and assets. Physical security upgrades were emphasized as a key protective measure. Reinforced construction, secure anchoring, and anti-tamper devices strengthen machines against unauthorized access and damage. Coupled with remote monitoring, surveillance, and alarm systems, these upgrades create a layered security strategy that reduces risk significantly. We also explored incident response and recovery strategies. Developing clear plans, training staff, and maintaining detailed documentation ensures rapid response when issues occur. Learning from incidents allows operators to refine procedures, preventing future occurrences, and maintaining customer trust and operational continuity. Finally, building a long-term security plan integrates all course elements into a sustainable strategy, combining risk assessment, physical and digital safeguards, ongoing maintenance, staff training, and data analysis ensures vending operations remain resilient. This holistic approach not only protects machines and revenue, but also enhances overall business growth, operational efficiency, and long-term success in high-risk locations.